Here it is, Trader Joe's Tortilla Espanola. Looks great. Alright, in this video we're going to do a review of Trader Joe's Tortilla Espanola. It says that it's a traditional Spanish omelet with potatoes and onions. So this is going to be breakfast. 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan, 8 to 9 minutes per side are the instructions. So let's go for it. Trader Joe's Tortilla Espanola for breakfast. I'm going to add the oil. Now that looks like a little fish. Look at that. Fish oil. All right, I think I'm ready to go in. Whoa, it's hot. And 9 minutes, then we're gonna flip it. Just gonna cover it, and I decided I'm gonna flip it every 2 minutes. So I just flipped it. This is what it looks like. It smells good. All right, I think I got it dialed in pretty good. It looks delicious. So I'm just gonna put it on a plate, cut it up, and see if it tastes good. All right, we're finally done. It takes a while. It took me the full 9 minutes, you know, flipping back and forth, and I finally got it done. It looks great and smells good. I'm gonna cut it right down the middle, and then we're gonna taste it. This is what it looks like when it's sliced open. It cuts real easy. I was expecting it to give me problems. It did not. It was smooth as butter. Oh, dog's going crazy. All right, this is gonna be my first bite. I am starving. I'm really hungry, so I can't wait to try this. So it's gonna be plain. I don't even know what to eat this with, or do you add anything? I don't know, sour cream or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up. But I'm just gonna taste it, test it, taste it like this, plain, and let's see what's going on. Okay. Heavy on potato. Taste onion in there. Not too much, a little bit. Heavy on potato though. Taste the egg. It is omelet after all. But potato comes across as the number one thing. In the mix, I get the late kick of the from the onion. Is it good? It's pretty good. It's not bad at all. 1 to 5, I would rate this 3.5, 3.75. It's very good. It's not the best thing I ever had, obviously, but it's not bad at all. Fun to try, and I think I would buy it again. Yeah, I would. You can share it. This can feed like 3 people. All right, guys, that's all I got in this one. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.